Welcome to Study Loop.
The question here wants us to write the electron knot structures for the following compounds and basically wants us to find the lone pairs and identify any multiple bonds. So let's see for A first. So if we write down, we have to, if we want to redraw it, first of all, we have to find the valence electrons in the whole compound. So chlorine gives 7, carbon, of course, 4, oxygen gives 2 each. 6 each, carbon gives out 4, hydrogen gives us 3. So that's going to give us 11, 23, 27, 30 total. So if we, first of all, write this end of the structure first, as we know that the methyl group here is going to be full of its octet. We have the carbon, oxygen, and then chlorine here. So just looking at it, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, already done, so we have 16 left to go through. So first of all, the carbon here wants to form 4 electrons, however it only has 3. So the oxygen here also wants to have an octet, so this is going to form a double bond like such, and then of course 2 lone pairs, 2 lone pairs, and then 3 lone pairs like that. So with B here, we have carbon, of course, giving us 4, 3, 8, 1, and that is 9 plus 7 is 16. Of course, we know that, first of all, with carbon, this carbon has its octet, and then we have this carbon here, and then these 2 carbons, nonetheless, if we highlight it with, let's say, yellow, who don't have its octet filled. And we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 valence electrons used. So we have 4 to play with. So what do we do? What can we do in order to basically more or less allow these carbons to fulfill its octet? What we can do is basically add 2 more bonds. And first of all, that carbon to our left here is going to have 4 bonds, giving us the full octet, and this carbon here is also going to have 4 bonds giving the full octet. So this is the answer to the questions here.